All right, welcome back everybody. So we just got in today a replacement DPF for a PACCAR MX-13. So we got this product from Roadwarrior. And this is, I believe, the second or third one we've had here, but we weren't able to do videos because it was kind of a rush job. So I wanted to do an unboxing and show you what these come with, the quality of the product, and all that good stuff. So just came in about an hour ago. Okay, so got two new clamps here. Pretty nice. Looks like on the side we got our gasket pack with both gaskets for both the DOC side and the outlet elbow side. And here is the DPF. So a couple things that stick out to me. You see on all the bungs, it's like pretty nice welds, everything's pretty clean. The shield is pretty thick. One issue that I sometimes have with these aftermarket DPFs, or even some of the newer replacement Cummins ones or OEM ones, there's a little band that goes around this to hold the electronics module on. And sometimes these shields, they make them thicker on the newer replacements, and that original clamp sometimes won't fit. But this one here, the way it's not puffed out, don't have the insulation underneath of it, so I think this one would probably be fine with our existing clamps, so that's a positive as well, because some of those clamps can be, or straps can be pretty expensive. So overall, pretty nice product. Everything looks pretty good. So something we're carrying here, so if this is something that you're looking for, in the market for, give us a call, check out the website. We'll do what we can to help you save some money as well. So thanks for watching today. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Thumbs up, and hit the bell for the updates. So we'll see you next time.